Hey man, y'all see it, bro. Y'all see it, man. We got the dub, man, on one of my most anticipated sneaker releases of 2023. Let's talk about it. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into another video. Before we even get any further with this one, man, I want to know right now down below in the comment section, man, who all was able to hit on these Air Jordan 8 playoffs, bro. I'm telling y'all, one of the most anticipated releases for a lot of people out there. Just reading comments, just seeing what everybody's anticipating for the rest of the year, man. The playoff 8s are definitely up there, and I was excited to see a lot of dubs, man. I just started a channel on Instagram. I'm going to tag it down below so you guys can go tap into it. I'll post it, you know what I'm saying, when the Air Jordan 8 playoffs are going to shock drop. And we got some more breaking news in the channel on IG, so I'm gonna link that down below so you guys go tap in. Right now, what I need y'all to do, man, go ahead and subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell for your boy so you don't miss out on any content that we drop, especially videos talking about, you know, shock drops, restocks, exclusive accesses, or anything like that. You won't miss it by hitting the notification bell. And that's one of the rules for, you know what I'm saying, winning a pair of Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes, which you will be doing as soon as you hit 80K. We less than 1,400 away, man. Appreciate all of the support. And yeah, let's talk about this Air Jordan 8 playoff shock drop, man. All right, man, so you guys seen it, bro. Today at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the Air Jordan 8 playoffs shock drop. And of course, you guys know what Nike do. They let everybody know about 15 minutes before the shock drop happened. And it was roughly 76 or 78,000 pairs. First, it was rumored for like 180 some thousand pairs. Didn't think that was, I think that was a little bit excessive for a playoff 8. And then I seen official numbers and there was around 76 to 78,000 pairs that did shock drop today. So it wasn't a crazy massive, you know what I'm saying, stock as far as this shock drop, but it was enough pairs to see a lot of W's. So like I said, if you guys did hit, let us know right now down below in the comment section. The resale was still sitting pretty high, but of course we still have 2 more weeks before the actual drop. They do release September the 30th. And I don't know if I'm gonna double up on these. I've been, you know, reflecting a little bit. I said, man, I might be doing a little bit too much doubling up. So I might stick with one pair. My pair is coming in because your boy got that lucky dub on the Nike sneakers app, man. Super excited, super happy. And I can't wait to read you guys' comments to kind of see, like, you know, how it was. Like, was it 78,000 pairs? Was a lot of people part of Vintage Squad that got W's? And I was already reading some comments while I was at work today, and people was like, bro, I got a W on this size, and X, Y, and Z. So that was pretty dope to see. And hopefully I helped a lot of you guys out yesterday when I dropped the video. And the day before that, we went live talking about the shock drop. I knew it was gonna be this week, just didn't know the day, didn't know the time. I didn't know if it's gonna be Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. Happened to be Thursday, perfect timing, you feel me? Everybody got a little extra change on payday, you feel me? And yeah, it's about to be the weekend. You're going into the weekend with a dubski, and I'm super excited, bro. Another grail checked off the list. Now all we really need, bro, just being honest with y'all, is the Air Jordan 12 Cherries. Now I'm gonna do everything I can in my power to get a pair early, but I am hearing it's gonna be another shock drop for the Air Jordan 12 Cherries. It sounds right, a couple sources talking about it, but nothing is confirmed yet, so just hold tight on that. But if you guys, you know what I'm saying, see me coming up on YouTube here within the next couple of weeks, talking about a shock drop of the Air Jordan 12 Cherries, don't be surprised, you heard it here first. But yeah, man, let us know right now down below in the comment section if you got that big dub on the Air Jordan 8 playoffs. I need to know how these rank, how y'all rack and stacking these things. Are these like top 5 for you? Are they top 10 as far as pickups of the year? Me personally, I think they definitely got to be in my top 10. They might even crack top 5. I just got to go back, see what all dropped this year, kind of compile my list, because it's always, you know what I'm saying, interesting to see everything you did cop, and then give you guys my opinion on what my favorite pickups of the year are. And like I said, we got a couple of more drops, and within the next couple of days, hopefully Nike got that fast shipping. You guys gonna see me up on YouTube unboxing them things early for you guys. That retail dub was crazy. It's crazy, man, because these Air Jordans that's been dropping lately, i.e. the Air Jordan 4 Red Cements retail for $210. The Air Jordan 5 Burgundies retail for $225. And now you got the Air Jordan 8 Playoffs retailing for $210. It's a bit excessive in my opinion. So hopefully one day, bro, after all this inflation, after all this stuff that's going around the world, hopefully prices start dropping as far as retail. I think Nike is doing it on purpose because they see what the shoes are reselling for. And like, you know what? How about we hike the retail price up, make a little bit more money, and you know what I'm saying, then worry about the resale later. And right now, a lot of these pairs that are dropping, the resale isn't high. That's because retail is pretty high as well, bro. I'm used to seeing 160, 170, and now we're seeing 210, 225 on these releases, bro, which is kind of getting out of hand, bro. So real quick, let me go ahead and check StockX real quick, see what their prices is hitting for. It is September the 14th, right? I think it's the 14th of September. So it's about, what, 2 weeks before the drop, September 30th. And the Air Jordan 8 playoffs on StockX is currently trending right now. Go ahead and click on there. I'm trying to brighten this down so you guys check it out. And the prices are pretty high in my opinion, bro. $450? Oh, I'm gonna say it's 2013, bro. I was like, ain't no way they're going for that much. So let me go ahead and search the Air Jordan 8 Playoffs 2023 edition and see what the price is for. All right, this look a little bit more like it, but it's still high, bro. 280, 290. Hold on, bro. That's kind of high, bro. I don't know why they so high, but again, it is 2 weeks before the drop happens, so it's probably why they are a bit high. I don't know. I think it will definitely go down here within the next couple of weeks, especially the drop day is going to be pretty low because it's a GR, you know what I'm saying? Full foot massage run. People ain't about to go crazy for them. Ain't nobody about to be buying mad pairs, botting mad pairs out, because this is probably, honestly, a sneaker that will hit the Nike outlets just because they made a lot of pairs of these things. And I almost forgot to tell you guys about the exclusive access that's happening for the Air Jordan 3 J Balvin. Yes, Nike is heating it up, bro. First, they give us a shock drop over the Air Jordan 8 playoffs. Now, they're giving us the J Balvin exclusive access possibility that you could get it, man. I'm not hearing any times yet. It's no set times, but usually when they do exclusive access, it's usually 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. But if the time does change, you guys already know, like I said, join that channel over on IG where I can retweet, I can share the information with you guys instantaneously. Just go over there, click the link down below, go follow the channel. And of course, you can follow my Twitter as well, where I let you guys know about all the information I see as far as restock, shock drops, exclusive access. This is the main example I'm telling y'all, man. You gotta be following me. You gotta know what is going on. And this one came out of nowhere, bro. I did not expect them to do an exclusive access for such a limited sneaker like the Air Jordan 3 J Balvins, but they are. And the price on the J Balvins are steadily dropping. I think the pair is going for around like 500, 400 bucks. And just a couple of days ago, they was going for like $1,000, man. So we shall see what happens as far as, you know, resale value on the J Balvins. Like I said, they're going real low right now. And I can just imagine on the release date, the resale is going to be really, really low, which is good for us. If you like the sneaker, go ahead and grab them. If not, leave them for the next person, you feel me? But make sure you check it out tomorrow. The Air Jordan 3 J Balvins will be dropping via Nike Sneakers app on an exclusive access to some select members, of course. But you never know. Go on the app tomorrow when the time does happen. I'm gonna let you guys know on Twitter or IG, and see if you're lucky enough to be one of those people to get exclusive access, man. And I did want to say one more time that the Air Jordan 12 Cherries, we're hearing a shock drop happening. Not anytime too soon. Probably see it in the end of September or early October. Like I said, once we get closer to that date, I'm gonna put you guys on, help you guys out, but don't pay resale yet. Hold on. It's gonna be pairs flooded in the market. So, you know what I'm saying? Save your money, pay that retail price. You might even can be able to pay under if you do wait a little bit after that, because it is a lot more heat dropping the rest of the year. It's not gonna be a lot of people prioritizing the Air Jordan 8 playoffs. I'm just being real, man. Thanks for tapping into today's video. I appreciate all the love and support. You guys already know what to do if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Please give a huge like before you slide out of today's video. Drop some comments, chop it up with your boy down below. And with all this being said, man, your boy The Vintage is gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.